This is Dr. Sunil Gupta from Nagpur, and I welcome you all for the forthcoming Hello Diabetes Academia, which is 13th year now. We have more than 200 faculties already confirmed. We have at least 8 to 10 international faculties, 6 orations, 2 legacy awards. We have 10 workshops on 19th of June in 2 different halls. Very practical, to the point, ADA guidelines or RSSDI guidelines. Multiple topics are going to be covered: in-hospital guidelines, lipid guidelines, and practically each and every KOL of diabetes are in this orange city. On the very first day, you have the convocation ceremony. At least 100 abstracts. The medical students, academic researchers are expected to be interacting in this program designed for clinicians, family physicians, for consultants, for researchers, for academicians, nutritionists, and educators. On Sunday, we have JDCON, Juvenile Diabetes Conclave, focused on type 1 diabetes children and their parents, and collaborated with RO, the IDF Southeast Asia, ACP, American College of Physicians as an academic partner. I'll be waiting on 19th of June to see you, meet you, greet you in the Orange City at Nagpur. Thank you.